Hey guys, what's up? Nathan here from the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition and Worship Calling. Got my progression this week, and this week I decided to bring out the acoustic because I've spent so much time focusing on material that's covered in the book in the context of I'm playing electric, I'm trying to play, triads in different frequency ranges than everyone else is playing. But if I was in the setting where I'm playing the acoustic or I'm kind of driving and leading that song, how would I change up this progression, right? So that's what I wanted to do this week. And so the progression this week, it's real simple, as they always are. It's just C, G, A minor, and E minor. So if I was driving this song and playing, kind of down here on home base, open chords, and I just wanted to change things up, play something a little different than just the normal. I would break out the, excuse me, C sus2. Now, a lot of times when I do this on the electric, I'm just playing that bottom half, right? But since I kind of want that fuller, I'm driving the song, I'm going to go ahead and bar that all the way here to the third fret on the A, which is the root, the C. So that's that C sus2, right? So what is that? Imagine that it's that A shape, right? Imagine your A chord, and if you pull off your ring finger or play that B string open, that's an A sus2. We're essentially taking that shape, moving it up here to make it the C sus2. Now for my G, I'm playing my favorite, right? It's actually that open E shape, but instead of barring it like that, I play it like this. I throw my thumb up over just so I can get that low G. And the reason I do that is so I can throw my pinky down on the 5th fret of the high E string, which is adding the 9th. So that would be a G add 9. For my A minor, I'm playing another one of my favorites, the A minor 7. Again, look at your regular A minor. Pull off the ring finger. Throw the pinky down on the 3rd fret of the high E. And then for my E minor, I'm going to do an E minor 7, which kind of, the pinky stays right in place. Ring finger goes on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then just play your normal E minor shape. That's how I would do it. Now, if I was playing electric or just even on an acoustic and just wanting to add a little something to the song, kind of more along the style of what we normally do on the electric, I would play my C up here. Now that's that E shape, right? That's that same shape I just played for the G, but we're going all the way up here to make it the C. And I'm probably not even going to throw my thumb up over there. I'm just going to play the lower half. For my G, I'm playing that. It could either be part of the D shape or part of the C shape for my G, right? My A minor, which what is that? That is that E minor shape, but again, I'm just playing the bottom half. Then I'm going to take that same A minor 7 shape for my E, make it an E minor 7. So that's what I would do. That's what I'm going to do. And hopefully you find some use out of that. Give it a shot. Try it out. Check out all the chords that are covered in the book and just the concepts of taking these various C, A, G, E, and D chords and moving them across the neck to play any chord you want. That's what we cover in the book. It's part of the cage system. So anyway, give it a shot. Check it out. As always, make every strum count. I'll see you guys next time.